Yo, what's good, chat? My nigga. It's your boy C-Dub. So, I'm not gonna lie. I freaking love this game. I'm not gonna lie. This game it's like similar to like if you watch Dragon Ball Fighters, like I think it's like very similar to that. Like very, very, very similar. So we finna get into it, ain't gonna lie. I've been practicing a little bit. Let me practice real quick. Lock in. This is my little 3 though. My little 3.
No surviving this.
They said, gonna be breathing out of both nostrils. This seat.
Like giving them crazy, like. Like, you feel me? Like, I'm, like, minking his goofy out, like, it's actually crazy. Bro, they're great. See, so. Rain, yeah. Only played, like, I think, like, 10, 11 matches. But it's only been off for, like, two days. I think tomorrow the last day, or I don't know. Today might be the last day. I don't know. But it is what it is. No. Come on. Yeah, he's scared. Yeah, he got no underwear.
Is this nigga serious?
Sitting in the chair.
This nigga is trash.
I'm looking.
Mark likes you, so if you give up now, I'll only break all your limbs.
Tight?
Well, Mark hates you, so how about I do my worst?
They said, gonna be breathing out of both nostrils. This seat.
My turn now.
That's it.
I trusted you! They're mine. Come to me! We're not done yet!
My turn now.
Get him up, let him get up.
Time for a lesson.
Fight back! Fight back! Fight back! Fight back!
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, I just lost it right there in my front chat. Hey, I just start cooking him. Yeah, but like a lot of people do that. Like, if you just start wailing on him, like, I'm sorry, I was just too locked in right there. Yeah. Yeah. I need to get off the game. But like, yeah, like, it just depends. I should have let him play it a little bit, bro. I should have let him think he had me, bro. I've been practicing too much, bro. Like, I can't actually, like, I don't know. Yeah, they finna start another war. Yeah, I'm flying on the map. I'm going on the tour. Yeah, I'm going on the tour. Yeah, I'm going on the tour. I gotta do the dishes. This is my motherfucking chore. I don't want no girl. I don't like the box.
Wait, what?
Whoa, hold on. Wait. Chill. I didn't mean to like.
There's so much more I could be doing right now.
And surrender. Do whatever you want from inside a GDA cell. They're mine.
Time for a lesson. I'm not even trying yet. Move. Heroic. Assist breaker. Yes. Breaker.
Pathetic.
Showtime. Let's do this.
me! We're not done yet! Time for a lesson. I'm not even trying yet!
Why won't you just listen to me? Oh, good one.
Time for a lesson. I'm not even trying yet.
You're done for. This is gonna hurt. Not done yet. Last one.
Yeah. Hey now. Elite. Move.
This is gonna hurt. Not done yet.
I got you.
I will join.
Hey, what the fuck? Hey, man.
Going up. Watch. You're done for.
Ready to bleed? This is over.
We ain't finished yet, asshole.
Oh. Okay, bro. I'll get my ass beat for the YouTube, bro. Fuck it. Oh, he got Battle Beat spamming that. Oh, no, no,
I'm
no.
gonna yank that blade right out of your fucking hair.
No one has tried that and lived.
He's gonna whip my shit, bro. So good. You already using the boost shit.
I will join.
Oh, I can't do nothing, bro.
We're not done yet. Come to me. We're not done yet.
Nigga, I ain't even gonna hit my
Find
nigga.
pain for you. I will join.
Come to me. We're not done yet.
With pleasure. Ready to bleed? This is over.
This will only make me fight harder.
I am here.
I will join.
Come to me. We're not done yet.
Bro, you see what I'm saying, bro? She's in this game, bro. He had to be the best thing out, bro. He got it.
Not even could be doing right now.
And surrender. Do whatever you want from inside a GDA cell.
Move. Let's do this.
I don't even know how to be doing that.
Got something for you. Eat it, Jerkwad.
Impressive. Move. Come to me! We're not done yet! My turn now. It's time for a lesson. I'm not even trying yet! Stand aside. Legendary! Watch it! Oh, that sucked. My turn now.
I'm here. Come on, stay down.
Impressive!
Bring in the heat.
What?
Something for you. Eat it, jerkwad. You're done for.
Go ahead. Cry for your father again.
Come here.
They're mine. Come to me! We're not done yet!
Ready to bleed? This is over. Predictable. Predictable. Come here. Come here. Predictable.
You have no idea how far I'm willing to go.
Predictable. Predictable. Come here. Predictable. Come here. No surviving this.
Coming at you.
With pleasure.
Knockdown!
Predictable.
Time for the big finale.
Predictable. Come here. Predictable. Come here. Predictable.
We ain't finished yet, asshole.
Predictable. Come here. Predictable.
Get him.
Predictable.
They're mine! Come to me!
That's nothing to me.
Come to me! We're not done yet!
With pleasure. Ready to bleed? This is over.
They're mine! Come to me! We're not
Big shit, nigga. Jeez. My fingers hurt, cuz, like, dang. Oh, my pinky. My pinky. We can rematch if you want to, though. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I ain't fucking with me after that. No. No. I ain't gonna lie, no, he got it. We wasn't gonna get to that game. Shoot. He might be, you know what I'm saying? He got 9 wins. He's gonna suck, bro. He's gonna be terrible. Oh, baby. Butt cheeks. He's not even nothing. He's not nothing. You know what I'm saying? He's not nothing. You gotta feel comfortable. Yeah, the music kinda kicking though. Hey, hey. Chillin' with my nigga and we eating blicks, huh? And I got the guns, yeah, I took the sticks, huh? Glock in my pocket, and you been on our shit, And I'm playing,
Gotcha.
stand aside!
I will join. Come here. Come here.
Stand aside!
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ready to bleed? Come here. Predictable. I'm up.
break it. Break it.
We're not done yet.
Break it.
Come here. Predictable. Predictable. Come here. Yeah.
I am here.
I can't leave. All right.
Come to me, mechanoid man.
Like, come on, bro.
Come to me.
Like, damn, he's just blocking. Can we punish this nigga? Please.
Stand aside.
Nah, you wanna keep backing up, bro? Look here. I'm gonna be weird too, bro. Okay.
Time for a lesson. I'm not
Alright, damn.
trying yet. I'm ready when you are.
He backing up and shit.
Coming in hot.
Time for a lesson. Not even trying yet.
It's gonna hurt. Not done yet.
Come to me.
Oh yeah, man.
Done yet. Stand aside. Come to me. Come on. You're done.
You're done for.
Time for a lesson.
Gotcha. This is gonna hurt. Not done yet. Last one.
They were weak. I will not be.
Gotcha.
Come to me. We're not done yet.
I can help. I'm up. This is gonna hurt. Not done yet. Last one.
Come to me. We're not done yet.
This is gonna hurt. Not done yet. This is gonna hurt. Not done yet. Last one. Go back to Cat Planet or whatever.
Bruh. What am I playing? What are you talking about, yo?
Hell yeah.
That nigga's on that weird thing. Shut up. Stop that name.
This is it.
Oh my god.
Gotcha. Stand aside. I'm ready when you are. Get him. Move. Going up. Watch. Outstanding. Watch. Let's do this. Gotcha. Damn. Hey. Come to me. We're not for a lesson. I'm not even trying yet.
You're the one I've been waiting for.
It's time for a lesson. I got it. I'm not even trying yet.
Move. Come to me. We're not done yet.
I'm ready when you are. Here.
Legendary.
Let's do this. It's time for a lesson. I'm not even trying yet.
They're mine.
Nice try. Impressive. I'm ready when you are.
Traitors deserve nothing but pain.
Listen to me. You don't seem to understand. This battle isn't yours to win.
Impressive. Stand aside.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Pathetic.
Come here. Surviving this.
Great. Fool.
I'm so much stronger than you.
Come here.
Yes.
Come here. Predictable. Come here.
Promise me you'll go for the kill.
Pay attention. Learn something? Well, this is what you wanted.
That was a good battle, bro. I fuck with it. I fuck with it. She gonna lead though. But I fuck with it.
This is my home, and I won't let you destroy it.
I can't let you interfere.
Oh my god.
I'm just about done with your antics. This is over.
Just in time.
Surviving this.
Roll out the Rex carpet.
With pleasure. Ready to bleed? This is over.
I'm up. This is gonna hurt. Not done yet.
Nah, fuck that. I'm cool on that shit.